Starting today, March 1st, Indonesia has its first integrated healthcare system in a single healthcare app, namely Satu Sehat Mobile, that is switching its existing app Peduli Lindungi. Has been in use since the COVID-19 pandemic began to be a more comprehensive app.
The Indonesian Health Ministry ensures that the public can still enjoy Peduli Lindungi's existing features, but with more added. And according to the ministry, the Satu Sehat mobile app is part of the Satu Sehat platform that makes it easier for the public to log and access their medical data in one convenient application. Users can see their medical data easily, such as vaccination certificates, children's immunizations and vaccines, and even lists of the medications that they consume. The ministry is also emphasizing the fact that public should not worry about the features being offered, as they will offer features such as consultation on the app from independent healthcare workers and also hospitals. And all the consultation is guaranteed to be from officials and licensed practitioners, and that all the data that comes into the app is guaranteed to be protected for safety. The transition from Peduli Lindungi to the Satu Sehat Mobile begins on March 1st.
A South African group is bringing films to African youth in impoverished areas with poor services through solar-powered portable cinemas.
The group Sunshine Cinema works in 4 countries, aiming to inspire more youth on the continent through African films. VOA's Zahir Kasim reports from Bangkok, South Africa.
Like most villages in South Africa, Pankop has little access to power or the internet. Watching a film is a rare treat from aid group Sunshine Cinema, which brings a solar-powered movie projector and speaker to poor remote areas. The group also provides jobs to operators like Larata Atlawa, who says the African films they select are not about entertaining, but inspiring.
After viewing a movie, you realize, the way I might have been doing things might have been a little bit offish or might have been wrong. And then it changes your perspective drastically to say, I can actually be a better person in my community. I can actually go out there and be the change in my community.
South Africa's government says nearly 2/3 of youth under 24 are jobless, raising the temptation of crime, especially among young men. A boys' mentorship program hosted today's film, Riding with Sugar, a South African film that tackles the issue of xenophobia.
Events like this are important because they help us to know which part of the future we want to be a part of. A future whereby we can eliminate all racism, all xenophobic attacks on foreigners, and we just want to be a better version of humanity.
Sunshine Cinema, which runs on donations, started a decade ago in South Africa, but has since spread to neighboring Zimbabwe, Zambia, and Malawi. They're ready to expand further across Africa, says co-founder Sadal Willow-Smith.
We would love to expand into other African countries. We believe that we have a model that can really work because we are addressing youth unemployment at the same time as working in distribution. The young people that go through our program receive rigorous training in impact facilitation. So they're coming out of this program with a lot of soft skills as well as a lot of skills that can be transferred into the workplace.
Sunshine Cinema says their goal is to spark conversations about issues that affect Africans. They also offer an online course for anyone in a developing country with scholarships for those who cannot afford it on how to use media for impact. For remote communities like Pankop, the impact of the solar-powered cinema is to bring hope for a better world. Zahir Kasim for VOA News, Pankop, South Africa.